Today we're doing a quick wave
You're
routine.
just gonna use cold water. You're just gonna use cold water.
How you know it's cold? Oh, but here we go.
Yes.
Here we go.
Oh my goodness.
So the water's cold because all the kids were taking a shower at the same time. That's why he's reacting this way.
Oh my goodness, here's how it is.
Why does it sound like foam?
I don't know. What in the world? Huh?
Oh my goodness. That is crazy.
Next time don't say, why does it sound like foam?
After our mishap with the shampoo that kind of exploded out of the bottle, we cleaned all that up, and then we're going in and just scrubbing the scalp to get it clean and make sure there's no residue of any products. Here we're using the shampoo brush to make sure that we get the deep conditioner saturated within his hair and to lay his hair down. We add the wave cap to flatten his hair even more, and then we will remove the excess deep conditioner from the cap and then begin rinsing. very well. You don't want to leave any deep conditioner on your hair or scalp. After we towel dry the hair, we go ahead and place the do-rag on top so that the waves can stay conformed. That doesn't make any sense. So that the waves can stay flattened on his head while they are drying and overnight. This is the next morning, and he's just unraveling the do-rag and then taking off the wave cap, and you can see that his hair is still laid down from us doing that quick wash routine. And here are the results. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment below. Bye.